Hi, कैसे हैं आप लोग? Are you all prepared for the test? Yes. But before that, let's have a quick flashback of what we have learned till now. In the first tutorial, we related Hindi sounds to the Latin script. We learned about the aspirated consonants. And we also learned the difference between the hard retroflex t, th, d, dh, n and the soft dentals t, th, d, dh, n. In the second video, we learnt the vowel sounds and the nasal vowel which occurs in words like मैं, हूँ, हैं and हाँ. The sixth and seventh videos were about having the first conversation with a stranger. In the eighth video, we learned how to make the most basic sentences using I and you. The ninth video was about names of the different countries in Hindi and how to tell where are you from. And the 10th tutorial was about the genders and the possessive determiner my. That's all. In this video, we are going to have a test. This is how we are gonna do it. I will give you a question. Just pause the video and think for the answers or write them down in your notebook. After counting till 10, I will declare the answers and you can see how much you have learned. So let's begin. I'm giving you some words in English and you have to write their Hindi equivalents in your notebook. Here we go. Pause the video and write your answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, time's up. Now check your answers. Today is आज. Yes is हाँ or हाँ जी with more respect. No is नहीं. Thank you is धन्यवाद और शुक्रिया. Okay is ठीक है. Brother is भाई. Sister is बहन और दीदी. House is घर. Country is देश. And book is either kitab or pustak. So, how was it? Shall we move on? Now I'm going to write some phrases in English. You have to translate them to Hindi. Now the time for answers. मैं हूँ. मैं मारिया हूँ. मैं एक स्टूडेंट हूँ. मैं भारत से हूँ या फिर मैं इंडिया से हूँ. ठीक है, समझ गए? I hope after this exercise it's now clear how to make sentences with मैं. The next is you formal. Again, I'm giving you a list of sentences in English and you have to translate into Hindi. Okay, here we go. Pause the video and write your answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time's up. Now the answers. आप हैं. आप रोहित हैं. आप एक स्टूडेंट हैं. आप मेक्सिको से हैं. And the final and the bonus question is about me. Tell me, मेरा नाम क्या है? Do you remember? Just kidding. I hope you enjoyed the test. Please ask your doubts in the comments and please give your suggestions. How can I improve? What did you like the most about my video and what was lacking? I will be back with more Hindi in more videos. फिर मिलेंगे.